Hi guys, this is the first episode of Random Meals. Today I will show you how I make crispy scrambled eggs. Why scrambled eggs? It is one of the easiest and most versatile dishes. Most videos recommend you to stir it like a madman, but I prefer to cook it on one side and then flipping it over, giving it a little crispiness. It is an easy to make recipe that is very delicious, and you can throw into it basically any meat, vegetables or cheese that you have at home, making it a whole different food every time you make it. And at last but not least, eggs are a very good source of protein. Here you can see the list of ingredients and macros for this meal. It is high on protein, but it also has lots of fat, and by eating this meal all by yourself, you exceed your recommended daily cholesterol intake. Here we will prepare our ingredients. I prefer to put all of them on the same plate so I don't forget anything. I add the spinach leaves, some bacon, the chopped spring onions and garlic. Do not mix the vegetables that you don't want to add to the eggs at the same time. Now we will crack open the eggs, add them to a bowl and whisk it until it takes a brighter color. It will take about 1 to 2 minutes. We add a generous amount of salt and also some pepper. Toasting a bread is very simple. Melt some butter over medium heat, add the bread, let it get as brown as you wish, then flip and repeat. Before cooking the eggs, clean the pan with some paper towel, melt some butter over medium heat. First add the bacon, cook until a little bit browned. Now add the eggs and don't stir, just wait. Add the onion and the garlic when it is almost ready to flip. It is ready to be flipped when the bottom is a bit brown and you can hold it up without it falling apart. I put the half done eggs into a plate for a nicer aesthetic result, but you can skip that part. Just toss the spinach over the eggs and then flip it. Wait until the other side is also nice brown. I use some passion fruit and goat cheese as a topping. Goodbye guys. Like, share, comment if you enjoyed the video and want to see more. Subscribe and click on the bell too. Enjoy your random meals.